guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nae. Welcome to Natural Black Kelly. I know I've been kind of missing in action, if you know what I'm saying, but hey, I'm back and I'm trying to be consistent. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this beautiful hairstyle, just in case the government tells us it's time to go out and you have somewhere to go, farmer, go to work, or just want to wear a cute bun. Yeah, I got you, sis. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's get right into this bun video. So I'm starting off with an old twist out. Now I'm parting the hair in the center to make a center part. After that, I'm fluffing my hair with this white comb so I don't get a lot of tangles when I loosen the styles, and it also helps to slick the hair down properly. I'm also going to use this elastic band. It's not silk, but it won't rip my hair off. Then I'm just going to put it around my neck. You guys are going to see I'm going to be using it later. Now I'm just putting some Eco Styler gel around my edges and back of my hair. You might be wondering why I didn't spray water before putting the gel. It's because I have fine strands and my hair is going to shrink when I do that. I don't want my hair to shrink because it's going to tangle a lot when I take the style down. So if you have fine hair, you might want to try this because the gel is already going to dampen your hair, so no need for extra water. Now I'm going to take this soft hair brush and try to slick it down as much as I can. I went ahead and secured my hair into a very tight perf because this is a much easier method of doing this hairstyle, especially if you have very thick hair like mine that's so hard to secure into a bun or perf. This brush is a bit harder than the other one I used, so I'm using it to thin flyaways before I do the actual bun. Now this is where this elastic band, or should I call it our new choker, is going to come into play. I'm gently going to slide it up to the center of my hair because you don't want it to rip off your hair. Yeah. So this is very important. If you want your fan bun to be a top fan bun, you have to keep the elastic at the center of your hair, but mine is going to be more like a low kind of fan bun. That is why my elastic is placed there. Now I'm adding more gel because I'm trying to slick my hair, but it's not working. I don't know why. Low porosity problems. Once I'm done, I'm going to be tying my hair down with a certain scarf so it can dry and gel can hold before I proceed onto forming the fan bun. So my hair already kind of sectioned itself into two, so I'm just taking one section and kind of pinning it to the back using a bobby pin. I'm pinning it carefully so the bobby pin does not pop out and the hairstyle looks tacky or something like that. Now I'm taking the second section, part of the second section, and pinning it towards the one I already pinned down. I kind of hid it inside, then pinned it down so it doesn't show. Yeah. And same goes for the last section. Gently and carefully pin it down while hiding your ends. So this is how the hair looks when it's all dried. I'm missing my center part, I can't see it anymore, but now it's time to lay my edges, you know what I'm saying, but it won't open. Guys, watch me literally struggle for like a minute trying to open this edge, this hair wax. The last and final touch to this beautiful hairstyle is my DIY hair band stroke accessory. I don't know what it's called, I don't know the exact name of this particular accessory, but I did it myself and it's so pretty. I'm just going to add it onto my bun and yeah, we are done. So if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. You can also leave video suggestions of what you want to see next on my channel, and I'll do my best to bring the content to you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.